All right, we're gonna go to the dog park.
Hey, you're not running from your friends or leaving. Stay
We're
with
going to
mommy.
the dog park with the dog.
Stay with mommy. Stay with mommy. Stop being difficult. Stay with mommy. He's gonna knock me over. Stay with mommy.
And as you can see, there's nobody at the dog park.
Smelling good. I'm gonna get fresh water. Hold on.
Well, come on.
Oh, come.
Good boy.
Please, I beg of you, no.
Bo. Hi, Bo.
Nice if somebody laid in this pool here.
Hi. What are you doing? What you doing? Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
Right. So she's seen a lot.
Oh yeah,
No,
but trust me,
so-
like she protects the people of East Whiteland. That I can tell you.
Oh,
I'm going to tell you this: she pulls you over for DUI, you are going to jail.
Oh, that's great. That does protect us. That's what. Well, thank you. Thank her for her public
Well, you can
service.
thank her. She's on her way here.
Oh, if we see her, that's
That's her
fine.
right there.
Okay, well, thank you for her public-
But Leo is amazing.
Yeah, that's great.
How old is Leo?
Leo was 2 on October 3rd.
But
You're still a
is he
puppy.
a puppy?
Yeah. So he had come. So the woman. Let me explain. The woman who had him before.
Who's Danny?
Well, she. So